All right, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about diphthong IO. So we have, over the past few weeks, gone through different diphthongs. So by now, we know what a diphthong is. So let's just go directly to the definition of this particular diphthong IO. So it's pronounced like the EO in the English word video, EO, except that as always it's a shorter sound. Note that when there is a written accent or the letter I, again, this is absolutely similar to all the diphthongs that we've been looking at. Like if there's a written accent or over a letter, the vowel sounds are pronounced separately. So that said, uh, it's broken and pronounced separately. So let's look at some examples. All right.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the IO diphthong.
Idioma,
Idioma. So if you notice, you have the IO diphthong after D, right? So it's IO. Idioma, which means language. Io.
estudio,
Estudio, I study.
Capitolio,
Capitolio, Capitol.
Novio,
Novio, boyfriend.
misterio,
Misterio, mystery.
biblioteca,
Biblioteca, library.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate on combining the two vowels into a single syllable
Of course.
in the manner of the native speakers.
All right.
idioma,
Idioma, language.
estudio,
Estudio, I study.
Capitolio,
Capitolio, capital.
novio,
Novio, boyfriend.
misterio,
Mysteria, mystery.
biblioteca,
Biblioteca, library.
Since these words have a written accent over the letter I, the diphthong is broken and the two vowels are pronounced separately.
envío,
Envío,
frío, frío,
so it's not from what that person is saying. It's not frio, it is more like frío.
frío, frío,
Frío,
frío,
frío, frío.
tío,
Tío, uncle.
río,
Rio, river.
desvío,
Desvío, I deflect.
confío,
Confío, I entrust. So it giving more emphasis on the accent, right? And that's how we are pronouncing it separately, the vowel sounds.
Listen and repeat. Every other word has a diphthong.
idioma,
Idioma,
envío,
envío,
estudio,
estudio,
frío,
frío,
Capitolio,
Capitolio,
tío,
tío,
novio,
novio,
río,
río,
misterio,
misterio,
desvío,
desvío,
biblioteca,
biblioteca, and last one for today,
confío,
confío, and trust. Alright, so basically to recap, IO is pronounced like EO in the word video, and if there's an accent or the letter I, the diphthongs, the vowel sounds are pronounced separately. So in the next video, I'll be looking at consonant P. So until then, see you next time.